welcome for the first game for tonight between Teams of Pinoy Sunboard Qatar live in the Burning Season International School in Doha. To wait on the first game for the Class D Division, Intermediate Division between, eto na, Lucky Fellas, ha? Lucky Fellas o clad in purple and black combination versus, of course, Sphinx Team, clad in white and black and yellow combination po. This are Open G Vlogs with your host, and to wait this against one more time now, one more day of basketball action in PSU Basketball League between Lucky Fellas and Sphinx Team. Coming up next. Thank you po. Okay, good evening basketball fans. Ito po yung liga ng mga sikat, PSBQ Basketball League. Ang liga ng mga sikat. Marami sa po sa inyo for tuning right now for this game for tonight. First game tonight between Sphinx, clad in white, clad in black and yellow combination versus nandito versus Lucky Fellas, clad in violet or purple and black combination. Ito po hindi ka na masikat PSBQ Basketball League. Ito yung mga takit teleprompter ngayon. Okay, ito ang yung PSBQ Basketball League. This game is brought to you by the following sponsors: McDonald's Qatar, MC Cargo, Janus Cometio, MC Cargo, kanina MC Kusin po yun, Kata Sublimation, MC Kitchen, JPEX TV, Winas Apparel, Ghost Mic Movement, Tringas Barbershop, PLBL, and many more. Thank you po. Idol. Pwede. May McDonald's tayo. Okay, first quarter action ng PSBQ Basketball League brought to you by MC Cargo ko si MC Cargo. Ayun, padala, laging safe at sigurado. First quarter action na po tayo ngayon mga kababayan ko. Eto na po tayo. First quarter action. First quarter action coming up. Sige, may stop tayo, sige. Mababa mo na, mahaba naman siya. Ay, pwede, mahaba. Okay, Spinks versus. Takin lang po, sir. Takin lang po. Takin, tsaka ano, tsaka yung mga hikop po natin. Thank you, salamat po. Okay, headed by Alcapre, Ambani, De Leon, and company. Sa kabila naman, ang Lucky Fellas. Sino-sino po sila? Okay, Lucky Fellas naman. Yan, sila Doroman and company yan. Tiyak, papasok yan. First quarter action coming up. Handog po ng MC Cargo. Ang yung padala laging safe at sigurado. MC Cargo. Okay, yung mga ano po natin dyan, yung mga hikaw po natin, mga bowlers po natin, paki-tuck away lang po. And also, game. Ito na, first quarter action. Between Spinks, clad in black and yellow combination, versus Lucky Fellas, clad in black and purple combination. Okay, ito na po tayo ngayon mga kababayan ko. Jumble ball. Jumble po tayo, jumble. First quarter action. De Leon versus number 24 ng Lucky Fellas, LF. Okay, eto na po tayo mga kababayan ko. Eto na, jumble. It's won by Spinks. Repentance, palpa ng konti. Okay, Lucky Fellas naman. Ako na Lucky Fellas. Okay, now Spinks, Alambani, number 15. Nakuha na Lucky Fellas. Okay, si Repentance, number 28. Number 28, Doromal, may tayo ng bola. Doromal, wala. Ambani, wag, apas, Alcabre, wala ko naman. Labas mo na Ambani. Duran, no. Ganyan, power move. Nope, number 1. Okay. First point by Kurapika, number 1, 2 points. Ambani for 3. Nope. Garigon, rebound, Doromal, last touch si Doromal. Balik po dyan bola po kay De Leon. Spinks, inbounding. Spinks. Tomas. No. One more time. Kurapika. Doromal. Nagmamadali. Doromal. Side step move. No. Nakuha ni Doromal pa rin. And one play sana. Shooting for 2. Mr. Doromal shooting for 2. This shot is brought to you by the following sponsor.
First person shooting number 4. Ayan, natin mga pogi from shooting 4.
Okay, first set free throw. Doromal naman. Pal sana. Sumabit na naman. Okay. 24 shooting for 2 brought to you by McDonald's Qatar. Kahit nasa Qatar pa tayo, love pa rin natin to. McDonald's Qatar. First shot, wala pa rin po. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, jumpers ready. Wala. Okay, what a putback. Nice putback. Spinks, Alcabre, Ambani, again, nakuha na Dani, Alcabre, De Leon, nice D by number 24. Nice D by number 24. Shoutout po dyan sa Manuel Purita po, 28 million viewers. Nice one, 2 points again. Sphinx called for an early timeout. The following sponsors: McDonald's Qatar, MC Cuisine, Janus Gumeteo, MC Cargo, Qatar Swimming Sportswear, bisira niya na, MC Cuisine, JPEX TV, Willax Apparel, Coach Mike Movement, 3 John's Barbershop, PLBL, Imprint Advertising, Aquafas One, Lombard Restaurant, and Kapembara Lombard, and HB Kicks. Maraming salamat po. Ito po yung di ka naman sikat, PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo ngayon. Ball game. Back to the ball game. First quarter now. Leading po ang Lucky Pelas ng 6. Sphinx has yet to score. This is your PSBQ Basketball League, ang liga na masikat dito sa Qatar. PSBQ Basketball League. Ambani. Yun! 3 points by El Gabre. Nice one by Ambani. Ambani kang Duran. Ambani on the attack. Duran. Ambani sa lalim. 2 points. Back-to-back field goals by Sphinx. Ayun si Dormal. Nice recovery by Dormal. Ambani. Okay, that's it. Ambani will shoot for 2. This free throws is brought to you by the following sponsor: HB Kicks from Jordan Celebrons. HB Kicks had it all for you. HB Kicks. Ambani, first throw ni Ambani. Unang throw ni Ambani, pasok. Tabla. Halos. Second throw ni Ambani. 6-8 pong score po natin. Ambani, second throw. Pasok pareho. The score is 7-8. Laman pa rin po ng isa ang Lucky Pelas, LF team. LF team, laman po ng isa. Nice D, Repentance. 10 seconds remaining. Durmal, against Duran. Durmal, nagbalik, pasok ang bola. Durmal, nagbalik pa sa ere, pambihira talaga yan. Ambani. Algabre, nakuha ng pick. Algabre ulit, short stop, wala. Nice rebound by Resurrection. Repentance, number 28. May tangan ng bola. Ambani against Durmal. Kinaliwa pa ng Bani, pasok. $10-9 po laban po natin. After this po is the last final seat to be battled with between Spencer team versus Janus Gumeteo. Bakbak ang malakas. Palpal! Palpal muli! Rebound ni Duran. Ambani. Algabre, running shot. Wala. Okay, 2 points. 2 points, number 24. Lamang na naman ang tatlo. Foul. It's a foul call. Foul. First personal foul. Inbound po si Tomas ng Sphinx. Sphinx inbounding. What a play. Ambani. Short stop. Kapos. One more time. Durmal. Nagmamadali. Durmal. Wala. One more time. Wala pa rin. Rebound. D. Repentance. Durmal muli. Wala pa rin. Same ball. Okay, change player. Change player po tayo nyo. This time si Bonggolo and company versus sino naman mga kalaban nila Bonggolo? Eto na, sino po sila? Mga bagong mukha, hindi ko kalala. Okay. Bonggolo Bunar and company. Okay, versus Jacob Jake and company po tayo. Ay pat si Buesa. De Gracia. Dom, running shot, pasok. Nice shot by Dom. Munar, Bonggolo. Munar. Pops up. Rebound, di Bonggolo. Rebound completed. Natividad. Malakas. Bonggolo mo rin ako rebound. Bonggolo for 3. Malakas pa rin. Offensive foul call. Nice shot, nice call by referee. Quality. Okay, number 33 Bonggolo for the inbound. Now to Munar. To Bonggolo again. Bonggolo to Munar. Munar. Fumbled. Okay, Munar. Recover the ball. Ariona. No. Natividad. Yun! Nakuha rin. Okay, the score is 11-14. Laman po ng tatlo po ang Lucky Fellas LF. Lucky Fellas. Stack up. Buesa, stack up. Nakuha ni Munar. To Natividad. Sayang. Maling pinasahan. Walang pinasahan po ang player na yun. Balik po sa Lucky Fellas po ang bola.
Ayun naman ang ibang uniform ng color kasi matatapay. Kasi red din sa kabila, may red eh. Once malabas ng black siya, Jonah. Papalit mo na ng black or yung black. Kasi may red sa kabila. Ang dati na naman sa mga kapatid. Yan, pera mo na, pera ka lang. May isang na next.
Okay, balik tayo sa ating laro ngayon.
Thank you.
Okay, si Ariona, pinagsot muna ng itim kasi dahil kasi to avoid confusion po. Balik po, back to the ball po tayo 11 score. It is 11-14. Laman po ng tatlo ang LF Lucky Fellas. De Gracia, Dom. No, De Gracia muli. Wala pa rin. Almost had it. De Gracia maybe shooting for 2. The shot is brought to you by number 7 De Gracia. Handog po ito ng Kapembraco by Lombard. Diyan po yun sa The Market. The Marketplace in Mercat area. Kapembraco by Lombard. Eto na po tayo. De Gracia muli. Second throw ni De Gracia. It's pasok. Pasok na pasok. Okay, pasok po ang bola po. And now, for the inbound, si Ariona to Munar. Munar, directing traffic. Good evening po siya, Madam Kat. Okay. And eto na, Natividad, walang bola, hindi nakuha. De Gracia, Dom. Walang nako. Natividad. Okay, completed. Okay, Madam Fe, good evening po, Madam Fe. How are you po today? And good luck po sa team po sa championship po. De Gracia, nice D by Spinks. Munar. Natividad. To number 18, to Munar for 3. No. Right recovery. Nakuha ni De Gracia ang bola. De Gracia. De Gracia. Wala. Nakuha ni number 18. Natividad. Bonggolo. Power move. Okay, lost the ball. Bola. Balik po muli sa Lucky Pelas. Elep team. Lucky Pelas. Napakalaki talaga nila. Okay, De Gracia. De Gracia, De Gracia, De Gracia. De Gracia. Dom-dom naman! Pasok ang bola! Nice short stop ni Dom-dom. Tumunar to Natividad. Almost lost the ball. Ariona, Natividad, Munar. For 3, ayaw muna nga. Natividad, driving to Dom-dom. Dom-dom, binoyo pa sa ere. Pasok ang bola. 2 points, Dom-dom. 13-19, lamang po ng 6 nga naman ang Lucky Pelas. Bonggolo. Bonggolo tingin 3, nope, ayaw niya. Bonggolo naman. Bonggolo. Uy! Mal.
21 seconds. Pero shot clock resist to 14. Shot clock resist to 14.
Okay, nice one! Uy, sayang! Ang ganda sana. Ang ganda sana ng play na yun. Okay, this play is brought to you by Lombar Restaurant. Coming soon, a new Lombar is riding to town. Lombar Restaurant. Lombar Restaurant, coming soon, a new Lombar is riding to town. Nice shot sana, labas lang po. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo para kay Mr. Ariona. Ariona, second throw. Pasok.
18 seconds. 18 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Dom-dom, pasok. Nice shot by Dom-dom. And of the first quarter. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Nandun po yung HB Kicks, Coting Barako, Columbar, ako Pastor, Spread Advertising, DLBL, Eagles Barbershop, Coach Mike Mopet, Windax Apparel, JPEX TV, MC Kitchen, Katasablo Sports, MC Cargo, John's Gumentio, MC Cuisine, and McDonald's kita. Ito po yung liga, PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, second quarter action. Coming up, the score is 14-21. Lamang po ng 7 ang Lucky Pelas. They're lucky indeed. Kaya Lucky Pelas. Black ball po tayo, Sphinx ball po tayo, Sphinx. Second quarter, team po ni nila Doromal, Resurrection, Kurapika and Company against Ambani, Algabre and Company po yan. With Tomas for the inbound. Tomas for the inbound to Ambani. Ambani. And to Tomas, Ambani. Doromal, malakas, Deleon, Jesus, Deleon, Radyo, Deleon. Ambani, Ambani, Nice slice by Ambani. Pasok. Nice shot by Ambani. Parang nagbabali lang si Eri ang bata. So, Repentance, number 28 po ngayon. Laman po ng 5 ang Lucky Pelas. Parcon. Kurapika to Resurrection. Wala. Nice one by Duramal. Nice bailout shot by Duramal. Angel Otiktik is watching already also. Good evening po sa'yo. Ambani. Hey! Okay, after this game po will be the last final seat to be booked by 2 teams to be battled by Janas Gumitio versus Spencer basketball team. Ito. And they will the winner of the team, they will battle DJ Giana sa championship. Nice one by Doromal. 7 minutes 44. Kurapika. Repentance. No. Okay. Another chance again. Ambani. Alcapre. Traveling violation call by the referee. Sayang. Sayang na sayang. Pero babawi pa rin yan. Babawi yan. Nice one by number 24. Nakuha ni Durmal. Alanganin na pasa. Durmal. Repentance. 28. Resurrection naman. Pasok muli. Don't talk now. 9-point lead already been posted by Lucky Pelas. Elef Lucky Pelas. 9 points already been posted. Alcabre. Ambani. Nakuha. Ito na naman si Durmal. Nice deep Ambani. Resurrection. Naku, sayang. Nice play by Resurrection naman. PSBQ would like to thank our following sponsors. PSBQ. Ito po ang, of course, McDonald's Qatar, MC Cargo, Janas Gumitio, MC Cuisine, Qatar Misiranyada, MC Kitchen, JPX TV, Vinax Apparel, G-Coats Mic Movement, Trigon's Barbershop, PLBL, Imprint Advertising, Agrobaswang Qatar, Lombar Restaurant, coming soon, the new Lombar will come into town, and Kapen Baraka by Lombar, and last but not least, it's HB Cakes. Ito pa lang yung liga na masikat, PSBQ Basketball League. Back to you, prompter. Bang! Back to the ball game. Okay, the score right now is 29. 28, 11-point lead already been posted. 11 na po ang kalamangan na po ng Lucky Pelas LF o First Speed Basketball Team. Ito na si Mr. Ambani. Nakuha niya ang seleksyon ng bola. Hoy! Nice shot sana, pero nag-hesitate ang bata. Sayang. Okay, De Leon will shoot for 2. This free throw is brought to you by the following sponsor. Ito po ang Lombar Restaurant. Coming soon, a new Lombar Restaurant will come into town. Lombar, Kabing Barako. Kasi sinabi ko, kami siya ay Lombar will come into town. Okay, De Leon. Pasok! Arab yung ano, yung pangalawa, yung dito. Yung 5 yung ano, 5 yung ano. O sa grupo na lang. Okay, balik tayo. Repentance. Thank you. Repentance. Nice one. Wala. Nice rebound. Ayan na. Naku, nasayang. Intercepted. Nice one. Duramal. 2 points. Magaling, magaling. Duran. Okay, nice one by Duran. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Ito na, resurrection, repentance, nice dribbling, Gilsho pass, Duramal, 3-second violation, tinawagan. 3. It's a 3. Algabre, wala. Ang Bani. Sayang. Leon, 2 points si Leon. Okay, the short is again. Eto na naman. Sigurapika. 24-31. Laman po ng 7 na lang ang Lucky Pelas. Okay. Repentance. Si Repentance po tayo, si Repentance. May tangan ng bola. Pumalo ng 3. Bigla. Wala. Ang Bani. Nakuha. Alam nga, sayang. Nice training job by Repentance. Nakuha naman ang Bani. And one play made. The Sphinx. The Sphinx is trying to claw itself hard. Okay. Okay, palit player muli po tayo. This time around, si Domdom and Company. Si Domdom, si number 35, ng Lucky Pelas. Sama na natin si may blanco ah. Okay. Against Duran. Bonggol and Company naman sa kabila. Okay, Duran shooting for 2. This bonus free throw is brought by, of course, Aquafas Qatar. Yan ha. Quality aqua thermal jugs for icons of colors and sizes. Aquafas Qatar. To order, just visit the page for details. And one play made. Sayang. Binawi. This free throw is brought by, of course, Imprint Advertising. We turn your ideas into absolute reality. Imprint Advertising. De Gracia for the bonus free throw. De Gracia for the bonus free throw po tayo. De Gracia, bonus free throw po tayo. De Gracia, wala. Hoy! Oh, teka lang po. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. Natividad. Ariona. Bonggolo. Power move. Una. Natividad. Driving. Natividad. Foul. It's a foul call. Puspa rep. Number 7 called for the foul. Natividad shooting for 2. Brought to of course PLBL Basketball League. PLBL ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. PLBL. Kaya Pinoy Legends Basketball League. Natividad second free throw. Jumpers ready. The score right now is 27-33, a 6-point lead. Coming soon to be returned to 5. Nope. Nice rebound and one play made by Azul. by Ariona. Nice shot by Ariona. Basket made. Yes, sir, we. This free throw is brought to you by the following sponsor. 3 John's Barbershop. Shoutout po. Gabriel Ortiz. Sir, shoutout po sir. Madam Zioso, shoutout po. And also, si PSBQ, shoutout na rin. Okay, laman ng tatlo. A huge 8-0 splash by Spinks. Nakakuha ng foul naman si Lucky Pelas. Lucky Pelas called for the foul. Number 0 will shoot for 2. This free throw is andun po ng the following sponsor. Coach Mike Movement, Master Game of Basketball, care of Coach Mike Movement. Master the Game of Basketball, the Game of Play, called by Coach Mike Movement. Nawala ang bola. Okay, nakuha ng bola. Okay, eto na po tayo. Second throw ni number 0. Jumpers ready. Wala. Nakuha ni Bonggolo. Natividad. Bonggolo, power move. Strip away.
Number 7.
Elbow foul called by on number 41. 41 called for the foul. Side throw violation pa rin. Side throw for wala sa penalty. Okay, 35 for the inbound. Ebuesa nag-aantay, ayaw niya. Okay, nakuha na Ebuesa. Pumano ng 3. Wala. Ariona stolen by number 35. Okay, number 1, Ebuesa. Number 2, stolen. Palpal. Bonggolo, baseball pass. Natividad. Foul. Number 7. Number 7 called for the foul. Shoutout na. Number 7, penalty situation. Ang Lucky Fellas, courtesy po yan ng Winax Apparel. Don't get up from the house without wearing it. Winax Apparel po yan. Ika sa Tagalog, huwag kayong lalabas ng bahay pag di suot ang Winax Apparel. Huwag kayong lalabas ng bahay pag di suot ang Winax Apparel. First shot ni David Natividad. Yes, sir, we. Last throw, jumpers ready. One more jumper please. Jumpers ready po tayo. Jumpers ready. Jumpers ready po tayo, boys. Jumpers ready po tayo. Natividad. Jumpers ready. And it's labas. Hoy! Traveling violation. Naipit. Traveling violation called by the referee. Number 7, De Gracia. Number 0, Domdom. Domdom na naman. Nakuha ni Bonggolo is a foul call by number 0. Foul call on number 0. Penalty situation po ang Spinks basketball team. This free throw is brought by the following sponsor, of course, JPX TV. JPX lang ang sakalam. Training po yan and also apparel. JPX lang ang sakalam. Bonggolo shooting for 2. First shot ni Bonggolo. Bonggolo first shot. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready ni Bonggolo. Para tabla. Itatabla ba niya? Hindi. Bonggolo. Wala pa rin. Oh, si Daisy. Okay, balik muli sa Lucky Fellas ang bola. De Gracia. Ayan na si De Gracia. Oh, si Daisy. Number 41, called for the foul by Munar. Side throw po si Mr. De Gracia ng Lucky Fellas. Lucky Fellas inbounding. Whittle Pelito pa, matapo manood pa para sa Singgi pa. Nandiyan na, parating na. De Gracia. Ayun, nakuha. Nakuha ni Natividad. Ariona, almost on the ball. Natividad din. Foul. Number 18, shooting for 2. Handog po rin ng ANC Kitchen. Quality papagana yung hapagkainan. ANC Kitchen, chili garlic oil. To order the oil, just visit Debbie Page for details. First shot, wala pa rin. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Number 18, second throw. Pasok, tabla. Sa wakas, tumapla na ang
first tabla. Unang tabla sa ating tulawan. O-23.
Nice 1-0. Nice shot by 0. Pa-shot po kay Boss Chic. Chic Roy Perez at Bossing Brian Huy. Okay. Sinatot po namin, sir. Sabi ni Daniel Miranda Macalmo. Ayan. Chica Perez. Second quarter na po at 1 minute 37 remaining. Chain ball. Sana. Opuesa. De Gracia. Shoutout John Leno de Palba. Alcantara. Munar. 2 points.
Nagulat. Ang nakasabasa. Nagulat yan.
Okay, shoutout pa kay John Alaga sa Coach Alcantara. Nakuha ni 0 ang bola. Blocking foul si number 18. 34 seconds remaining. Number 0 shooting for 2. Handog po yun ng the following sponsor. Qatar Sublimation Sports by Mizira Nyada. Quality sportswear for all kinds of sports, shapes, and sizes. Handog po yan ng Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. QSS in short. Second throw, wala. Nakuha. Hop, still completed. Domdom, malakas. Ponggolo. Offensive foul called. Offensive foul. Calling all teams. Spencer and Janos Gumituyo. Matatapos na po ang first half. Prepare yourselves now. Thank you. Tapos. 5 seconds. Okay. Halftime po tayo. The score is 35-37. 35-37. Laman po ang Lucky Pelas ng dalawa. Okay. PSB ko would take the following sponsors. McDonald's Qatar. MCE Cuisine. Janos Gumituyo. Marnica Cargo. Chikata Film Sport Mabizira Nyada. ANC Kitchen. JPX TV. Guidas Apparel. Coach Mike Movement. Regans Barbershop. PLBL. Imprint Advertising. Lacovas Qatar. Olomba Restaurant. Capeng Braco. And HB Cakes. Bishop PSB Kapaspiling also. Lombar is coming to town. Lombar Restaurant.
Pinoy Waters, alright. Parang nasa mga celebrity teams eh, Pinoy Star, diba? Okay, and let's get back to the game.
Ha? Okay, second half coming up. Second half po tayo mga kababayan. Second half po tayo. Teka lang, hinawag ba ang teleprompter? Ayun, nakuha na sa mga. Okay, this is the third quarter action. Hando po yun ang Qatar sa Men's Sport, Mamisira Nyada. Third quarter po tayo. Eto na. Brian Uy, shoutout kay Daniel Macalinaw at kay Ding Dongs. Ang Ding Dong Dantes daw ng Qatar. Okay, sabi daw yan ni Brian Uy. Kay Brian Macalinaw. Okay, nakipela sa Repentance for the inbound. 35-37 score po natin. 28. Foul called. Foul called on Ambani. First team foul. Okay, Repentance again for the inbound. Dom-Dom, De Gracia, Doromal, nandun si number 14. Ayun siyempre, foul and complete made. Nice reflexes by Mr. Doromal. This print is brought by MC Cargo. Ang yung padalay laging safe at sigurado. Dalawang branch po, one in Dubai, one in Doha. MC Cargo. Ang yung padalay laging safe at sigurado. May parito sa shoutout kay Daryl Macalinaw at Sector ko ng Qatar. Okay. Yun, nakapasok ni Salgabre for 3 points. Algabre for 3 points. 38 points. Score po natin yun. Algabre, Ambani. Kapos. Wow, pinuot pa. Pinuot pa, nilalaw, nagdisgrasya. 2 points. Okay, balik po muli po, out of bounds. Committed, balik po muli sa Sphinx ang bola. Duran. Foul! Sa ilalim. Dom-Dom called for the foul. Okay, Dom-Dom called for the foul. Back to the ball game po tayo yun. Ito na, for Dimbang po ang Sphinx. Algabre for 3. Malakas. Ambani 2 points. Substitution po ngayon, Aroyona para kay Mr. Tomas. Okay, si Mr. alam mo na. Inbound, kaya ito na. Take it out. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds shot clock. Good ball. Five. Air ball. Get it on. Ambani. Come on. Nice. Rebound sana. Two point. And one play made by Ambani. Ambani for the end one play made. Nice play. This free throw is brought to you by Janus Gumetio, kabilang 2 players po yan, team play, team Spicy and team Original. Hando po yun na, Janus Gumetio. Mamili po kayo. Mamili po kayo. Janus Gumetio. Ambani. First shot. Bang! Okay, bonus free throw made. Lamang na naman ng tatlo po ang Lucky Pelas LF. 7 minutes remaining sa ating third quarter action. Eto na po tayo. Ambani almost on the ball. Palpal! Nice beat! Okay, ball. Nice deep by Bongolo. Ayun! Di Gracia. 28. Malakas ang pasa sa amin. Malakas ang pasa kay Ambani. Alright. Grabe yung mga highlights pa rin dito. Number 4. Number 4. Sineplay. Number 4. Business society na. Two points Duran. Oh, sayang. 8 seconds shot lang. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot po. 8 seconds to shoot. Two points. Okay, laman na. Change favor. Laman po ang Sphinx. Normal. Normal. Dom-dom. Foul called on Duran. Duran called for the foul. Okay, Dom-dom shooting for 2. Ando po ito ng MC Cuisine. Ang yung aming panlasa ay laging sigurado. MC Cuisine.
May tangka kaya, Tom!
Wala. Okay, balik tayo sa Sphinx. Woo! Nice play by Natividad. Okay, ito na. Bonggolo! Palpal! Okay, nice deep and bunny. Okay, timeout po ang Sphinx. Sphinx go for the timeout. Ando po ito na final sponsor po tayo. MC Cuisine, McDonald's Qatar, Janus Comentio, MC Cuisine Cargo. Ayan na po. Katas Information, Ace Kitchen, JPEX TV, Winax Apparel, Cosmic Movement, Tridians Barbershop, PLBL, Imprint Advertising, Kako Fesmong Qatar, Lombar, and Kapembra Kabi Lombar, and also HB Kicks. And coming soon, a new Lombar is in town. Stonewall Atienza. Sir. Good luck. Okay, coming after this game, Laglagan Nights po tayo between Spencer and Janus Comentio. This is for the last final scene to be booked and battled by 2 teams po yan. Laglagan Nights po tayo ngayon mga kababayan. Laglagan Nights. Eto na ang Bunny. Ang Bunny naman. Ang Bunny driving in. Nice one by Achera. Hey! Foul called. Nice power move by Mr. Ariona. Ariona cover power move po yan. This is now brought in by, of course, McDonald's Qatar. Kahit nasa Qatar po yan, love pa rin natin tayo yan. McDonald's Qatar, love ko to. Kahit nasa Qatar, love pa rin natin yan. Love pa rin ito. Okay. Okay, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. It's wala pareho. Same ball po tayo, 14 second shot clock, awarded again. Asuela. Munar. Ambani. Palpal. Nice trailing job by Natividad. Boy! Good ball. Nice defense by Dom-dom. Okay, timeout muna. Lucky Fellas go for the timeout. Shoutout pa yung Danny Macanao, anding yung dance club. Grabe na yung violation ko. Okay, balik muli sa bola. Traveling din, tinawag ng referee.
Garcia, ang nakapel. Gabriel, stuck in the ball. Stuck in the bola. Bago ba ang papel ng Barcelona? Nakapaliwan, nasa pari. Ang pari na magalagi. Tayo now. Walapig, back to pari. Ang pari na pass.
Bongolo with a shot. Nice shot by Bongolo.
Sa kanya talagang goal na niya sa ilalim. Number 84. 54 sila ka na nalaban. Nice wings. Nice one team. Maras. Bongolo. Bongolo.
Dom-Dom called for a foul. Pushing foul, Dom-Dom.
Only here in this review. Are you on the star? Alright, number 16. Take out to Ambani. Ambani sini apa ya? Untuk shot back. Number 20. Number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 16. Mana final. Ambani. 5 to shoot. 4.
Foul call.
Substitution. Kalam.
Penalty situation. Penalty situation. This is brought to you by Lombar Restaurant. The new Lombar in town is coming to town. Lombar Restaurant. Ayun na, si Parico.
Spencer, abangan niyo po. Ganda ng laban niya. Number 50, Ibidaan, yes sir. Subdivision, yes,
Okay, natin labas muna para kay Mr. Mr. Number 15.
Balik ko lang, Lakitas. Hindi na nakasagot ko ang Lakitas.
Boss Arvin! Bakit nawawala ang signal mo? Malakas naman ang signal namin, sir, ah. Pakicheck po yung signal, sir. Malakas po ang signal po namin, sir. May net po kami. Number 20, the Penta shooting for 200 po ito na final sponsor. Lombar Restaurant.
And yes. Ready? Jumpers ready. Basket ya. Ada. That's it. And no. Joel. Sanibag. Ambani.
Okay, ang Bani, pinagpemos ang Bani para sa fourth quarter, pinaganda na siya. Ariona, shooting for 2. Ando po the final sponsors, of course, McDonald's Sitar, and
Joel. Unang tira, pasok. Joel pa rin. Pangalang tira.
pasok pareho. Tag-blurred, sir. Ayun yung hindi siya namin, sir.
Kasama sa inyo
Pakicheck sa inyo, sir. Pakicheck po sa inyo. Wala ka, sana. Mutik na. Pasok ang bola. Nice shot.
Let's go. 70 seconds. 70 seconds. That was a sweep. Play. Nasa kanya. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Already. One last.
Traveling violation na naman.
Wala ba? 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds to go. 5 seconds to go. 3 seconds. Take it out. Wala. Hey! And the bird. Woo! Music. All right. And the third quarter. Open the eyes. Open the eyes. Shut out. That's good stuff. On her. Pinoy Star. Ayan, sinusubok. Yan, paano ito? Aking semifinal. Grabe, nagtanyalan pa o Chanas. Wala ba? Special, nandito na. Para sa Barcelona Chanas. Nagmumoni-moni. Alright, alam mo na. Magsisipin na kayo ako sa rin. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, let's go! Okay, finally, pisang tayo, final round! Out of position, wala na space, dito tayo!
Okay, eto na. The final quarter. Ang huling kabanata sa larong ito. Eto na po tayo mga kababayan, ang huling kabanata.
Alright, let's go, final round! Yuha! Yes, sir!
Nice shot by Domdom. Domdom, nice shot. Okay, Duramal, control the boards. Last touch by Tomas. Okay, ang Bani, pasok muna para kinyo kay Bani. Kay Natividad. Para yung Tomas para Roger. Salgabre. Oh, si Daisy. Lucky Pelas last match. Bola po ng itim ang Sphinx. Ball po ng Sphinx po, sir. Ball po ng Sphinx, mga kabayan. Malalim. kalamangan.
This is very much energy. Yes. Ayan na. Ay, yes, sir. Time out! Dahil mo po, wala lang tumakbo sa kanila. Time out! Hindi na mapatakbo. Alright, this time.
Okay, time out po by this time of body profiling sponsors. Huli!
Ganda yung sana. Okay, second yan. Shot back. Bendon. Garcia, wala. Short tapos. Tapek. Ambane. Doral. Ambane. Doral. Yes. Sabi, pera siya. Bumangkas, talaga makakatrabi yung kalaban. Ganda? Uy, ang ganda to!
What a turnaround shot by Dom-Dom. Durumat, 2 points. Pasok!
Okay, working na isang na. Music, papi!
Boss Mercader, last quarter na po sir. Punta na kayo dito. Last quarter na, 5 minutes remaining. Hyper po, hyper. Okay, balik tayo sa kalaro-larong ito mga kababayan. Ito po tayo yun. 5 minutes 46 remaining. Ito pa ang PSB Basketball League. Lamang po ng 8 po ang Sphinx. Lamang po ng 8. 5 minutes 46 remaining. Lucky Pelas trying to salvage the game. Para sa baba. Para sa baba.
First team foul na, point pa. First team foul. Pagwala. Babane! Dalawang panulong nila. Single play. Puti shot na.
Touch. Stepping on the line.
Alam mo na. Kemudian, yang sisi habis sisi now. Kali berangkat. Golong, korban. Lagi siapa dia? Golong.
Dum again, back-to-back on the field goals. Grabe! 8-0 run by Lucky Fellas. Nagrarally po ang Lucky Fellas. And one play made by Bunny.
Mahaba pa yan, 3 minutes and 36. Alright, and we'll play Bayang Planet. Alright, ano yung mga ating mga kanan? Mga bigat, mga highlights. Ang banyo na 30. Cover ready. And go. Okay, oh! Sakit na mga 30. Thank you. Kaya alright. Saya kanya namin pumalo. Ay, subdivision!
Okay, labit yan para Algapret, pinanta muna. 3 minutes 21, lamang ng 5, lamang ng 4 lang ang Sphinx. Wala pinasahan.
Sayang sumasa. Sayang sa technology. Yes!
Okay, 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes 55 remaining. Okay, holding foul on Duran. 2 minutes 40 remaining. Lamang pa rin mo na 4 ang Sphinx. Bonggolo. 2 minutes 15 remaining. McDonald's guitar. Kahit nasa katapunan tayo, nasa katapunan tayo, lamparin natin, McDonald's guitar. Lane violation. A minute and 35 remaining.
Pag hindi nagamit, pwede hindi.
A minute and 35 remaining.
Siguro, 1 minute and 35. Apat pa yan.
Lampani.
14 na yan.
Ambani.
10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Lampani. Lawan na.
Points si Garcia. Di Gracia. A minute and 18 remaining. Same ball. 59 remaining. 4 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. Okay, time out. Spinks go for the last time out.
Yes, ito wala ka lang. Okay, and goal! 3, 2, 1, and style! Okay, last go. Okay, last night lang, last night. Let's go, let's go, please.
Okay, back to the ball game. Ball game.
59. 49 seconds. Yes!
Okay, 59 seconds remaining.
59 seconds lang, kabilangan na lang. Automatic ang labasa yan, ha? Automatic, 4 seconds ang labasa. Pakinggan nyo na yung basa. 4 seconds to shoot. Ang bale, para kamante. Bawale. Oh!
Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation. Wala! 43 seconds remaining.
Yes, sir.
Foul! It's a foul called.
Yan, dating pa mo lang, yes. Hindi ko masagot eh. Wala ko sagot. Wala dating pa mo lang, yes. Foul. Okay, shot na kasi sa 14 yan. Automatic sa foul. 14 to shoot yan. 14 to shoot. Alright?
Sure ka pa?
Sira, bilang yan. 14 shot na kasi sa 14. Tumuro. Tumuro. 10 seconds shot na. Tuwan pa rin. Nakawala. Super! Wait a minute, kapit na init. Wait a minute, kapit na init. Wait lang, alam na usap. And... Yes! Okay, time out. Sige. Okay, last time out. Okay. Time out! Lakabelas! This time out, let's go to high! Yeah! Music, papi! Ganda na! Usap, Allen. Okay, second Ryan, yes.
2 seconds remaining.
Speaks mo, yun ang 2 seconds. 2 seconds, at tumama na. 2 seconds,
Maling pinasahan! Overtime. 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 Damang na to eh. Okay, back to the ball game. Another 5 minutes will decide this game. Lumingi pa na 5 minuto ang kupunan. Ha! Both teams need a fraction 5 minutes more to settle the ball game. Sabi nila 5 minuto pa daw hinihingi nila para matapos ang minuto. Sige nga, try natin. Back-to-back field sa Legabre. Back-to-back field goal sa Legabre. Back-to-back field goal sa ginawa niya. De Leon controlling of the boards. Legabre stripped away. Sabi ng Bani sa wakas, nakatira din ako ng 3. And Mr. Normal, walakas!
Ang bali naman natin, Robin Six. Kaya natin naman po naman, Rodin, malakapan po! Get out, Leon!
2 points ni Leon! Drama 2 points. A minute 53 again. 70-69. Lamang ng 7 ang kalaban ng Lucky Fellas. Lamang ang Sphinx ng 7. Ang Bunny, sizing in the defense. Getting the pick. Ang Bunny. Foul called. Foul number 4 kay Doromal.
Foul number 4 is submission. Bakit? Alam ko, lakas. Joel!
Malakas!
Nakabilas, one from Yaki. Di ba nakashoot ng nakabilas? Simula ng overtime, simula ng isa ng wala. Lumabang ko na ba? Kaya, nakashoot na kaya! Nakashoot na kaya! Nakabilas. Number 7, tingin out. Malakas! Tulad sa rebound, grabe. Pinakitaan.
Oh, si Daisy. A minute. Okay, time at the call. Kausap-tusin lang. Lucky Fellas, accept muna. Okay, pinalabas muna si Repentance. Pinagpay muna si number 28. Siguro pagod na yata talaga.
Let's get on.
Algabre.
Grabe. Pinakakala, 76-69. Bale, only shot lang. Pwede shoot. Thomas Rodney. Sa kanila pa rin ang talaga. Kiniyon, Laksuman. Grabe ko! Halinaw sa linaw. Foul number 18.
2 shots awarded para kay Mr. Ariona.
Apat na Joel.
Joel.
Second time. Raymond down for a rebound. Seconds to go. Yes, sir.
Anim lang yan.
Seconds to go. Okay, shot na. Ben to shoot. Pass for 3.
3 points made. Algabre.
Pass for 3. Okay, ingat na mga kapatid.
Okay, that's it. I think so. Okay, final score 87-1. Nakonsid na po ang Lucky Fellas. Congratulations for winning the ball game, Team Sphinx. Okay, this is your best speaker possibly. Stand by for the second game, semifinals match between Jonas Gumain versus Spencer. Muli, maraming salamat sa lahat and God bless po sa inyo. Okay, ito po ang nanalo po ngayon sa laro nito. Sphinx. Stand by po tayo sa TV po ng mga na best player po. Okay, Sir Yona, congrats for winning the game, sir. Ano po sir masabi sa bukang dumangay sa butas ng Karaim nag-overtime pa?
Nag-stick lang kami sa plano ni coach. Nakinig naman yung bawat player kaya medyo nakuha naman namin kahit struggle kasi ngayon na kami ulit nagkakita.
Ano ba sana may sa susunod paglalaro ng Sphinx? What to expect more sa Sphinx po?
mas pag-iilihan namin at saka yung connection ng bawat isang player.
Okay, ito naman yung playmaker na. Huwag mo naman isoy. Di pa tapos. Okay, itong ating playmaker naman, si Ambani, Sarambani. Mukha yung mga timely, mga pasal, lalo yung 3 point mo, nakasagip sa team nyo. Lakas pare. Kailangan ko.
Sipag namin. At saka grabe hustle ni.
Ay, yung birds ni Ariona. No, so with it po na si Mr. Duran, yung ating complete yung ating big trip po, Mr. Duran. Yung mga stops mo and also yung mga depensa mo kanina. Mag-compress na kayo.
Yun ang sabi ni Coach, kailangan namin ng depensa talaga. Kasi hindi talaga dapat.
Okay, wait it now. Okay, 1 minute. Shoutout po, sir. Mr. Ambani muna. Shoutout sa mga friends, sa mga fans mo, sa mga supporters mo. Iloilo, okay. Ariona naman.
Shoutout sa misis ko, sa yung baby namin.
Ayos, okay. And also, si Mr. Duran.
Shoutout sa mga kaibigan dito sa Natal, at sa asawa ko. Shoutout sa iyo.
Okay, thank you po. Ito naman natin kanilang 3-point team, Mr. Algapre, sir. Sir, sa wakas, na-find din ang range nyo, sir. Dati hindi makuha yung range nyo, ha. Ano masasabi nyo po? Ha? Timely lang talaga. Okay, wait it po. Lastly po, what to expect against the Sphinx on the next ball game nyo po? What to expect more? Ano masasabi pa lang bilang mga manonood po? Ha? Sisipagin na lang. Okay, Mr. Gabre, shoutout po tayo dyan. Sige po. Okay. Okay, we did po. Thank you po muli and congratulations for winning the game, Team Sphinx.